How you doing,
Always
sir?
make sure your key unlocks the car as well as starts it.
Let's see here.
I've got the ignition key. That's the only key that lady gave me whenever I bought the car.
And she didn't even tell you?
Huh?
She didn't tell you that it didn't work on the door?
Nope. Elderly lady. I guess she probably didn't think about it either. And I was excited about the car. I didn't pay for $2,500 for it.
Oh yeah? It's a nice little ride for $2,500.
That's what I was talking about. I bought one of these brand new in '99. It was a 50th anniversary edition. I was married then. And between my wife and the grandkids, they destroyed and trashed the car.
Oh yeah.
Man, we tried a Slim Jim. We tried everything. Saturday.
Do these locks pull back?
There we go. Hot dog.